Hey, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm Courtney. Hey, okay. Well, I am on Twitter at BTRFan. BTRFANZZ. That's me. Anyway, I just wanted to make this video because I felt like it, and then, I don't know, it was just fun. Anyway, yeah. Um, it's cool. Anyway, I'm just gonna like maybe make these videos then. I hope you all watch them, and I guess that's about it. Yep. Bye.